there are several ways to recover. Or fix your cell phone if you've reset it. As we did here, we formatted it. And then waited until it took us to this section. When we got there, we saw the option to skip. To quickly configure our phone. This option is now available. Here we can see the padlock icon. Option appears. Accessibility. Previously, when accessibility appeared, we could access our phone quickly and easily. But nowadays, when this appears, it means the phone is still locked. To fix and recover it, I recommend watching this video tutorial and activating and deactivating the access settings, and configure everything we do in this video tutorial. Okay. Let's connect, and then we'll wait until we get to the next settings. I also want to mention that in the video description and in the first pinned comment, we'll leave another method different from this one without a PC. We also have another one for PC, which you'll be able to find here in this video description. And in the comment, we'll also be leaving it there. Also, for those of you watching these videos, leave in the comments what model you have and on which model it has worked for you, and perhaps on which model it isn't working, so we can upload an exclusive video for that model. For those of you who might be having trouble, tell us if the settings we're doing aren't working for you, so we can help you solve it. Here we can see that we have this pattern. We have a pattern here on the phone. Here it indicates the Google account. I'm going to click on it. Now it will take you to this point. What you're going to do is click here on these blue letters. Click on them, and then you're going to write this here as well. And again you do it here. Now what are we going to do? We are going to click it several times. The idea is to spend 30 seconds here, which would help us, it would help us to enable a function later on. Right now it would help us to enable that function. After we have spent those 30 seconds here, then what is? What we'll be doing is going back. We're going to go back to that beginning. After those 30 seconds have passed, then we're going to do the following. You're going to do this. You're going to click here on the screen several times. You're going to click back. You're going to click Add New Network. You're going to click this little gear that appears here, then you're going to select the 3 dots here. You're going to click here on Update, you're going to click here. Then you're going to leave only the language we're using on the phone. We're going to leave only that language, we're going to click back. Well, you can leave it like this. You just click back because the time we go back, the little gear will no longer appear, it will be automatically deleted. You're going to click here. You're going to click this little cross that appears here, and then here you're going to do this. You're going to write here. You're going to write exactly as we're doing it here, you're going to do it. You write the number sign first, and then you're going to write this here, period. Here, you finish with a .com. You click it, now it would be saved. It's completely saved, now you're going to disable this. You're going to go up, you're going to click here. And here you're going to select it and give it a single click. Then you get to here. You leave it like this, you're going to leave it like this, you're not going to do anything else. Then you get here, you're also going to leave it like this here. And if you're going to disable this, you just click on it and then you'll get to the point where we'll be doing all the resets. Here, if you're going to do this, you're going to click here on Reset. Then you select the second one. You select the third one, then you select the cache. You're going to click where that cache is. You do that cache, now you go back. You go back, you click on Cancel. You go back and then you click on Accessibility. You double-click here, you enable it, you double-click here. You click here on Finish, here you're going to click on Deny and then you finish here by disabling this with a double-click. Then what you're going to do is click here. You click on Next, you're going to click on Next. You click here on Manual, here you click on Next. Here you would be deleting this whole process and now we're going to see. You'll see that it should look something like this. If you see that little padlock there. Since we have the padlock in this section, we're not going to click here. We're going to click here. We're going to turn everything off and click here on Skip. Click. Skip, click here where it says, Don't copy, click Skip again. Pay close attention, click Accept. Click here on Add and then click Next again. Wait a few seconds here and it will take you to this section. What are you going to do here? You're going to click once. Click back, click here again, and click here on Home. When you're here on Home, we'll wait for it to take you to the home screen. As we can see, we now have the complete home screen. You'll get here, click here, and we need to turn the Wi-Fi network back on. Click back and wait for it to load. The network has now loaded. Click here. Wait here, wait. Here. This option to add or create a Google account. Then be enabled. When you see this, it means it's fully recovered.